na wananchi wa Kisii lero ni tukurio mu buramo no mu goko munene asengencho etimu ya ito tindugu cha ito bari bakurugunga people with disabilities bago celebrate 20 years ase bintu banyare gukora ibe ya Kisii na Kenya ngima nense ngima to watu mujagaga culture hall ko celebrate bintu banyare gukora twarore bakore binte binge bamekira lot of achievements ba ruane te pakari chikori kurugunga agibo dikaba put into place kere chitenda chyo kuru Kenya gaiga 30% cyanyara kogenda asa abantu bari bijana abangina and the people living with disabilities, and that one kyabera korekana tari gusioka Kenya ngima because every time tendering process yokorwa there is a provision 30% for that team, and that is a milestone banyare go achieve through their continuous engagement with all the stakeholders as a country to Kenya. Na ndubune county ya Kisii we also committed to ensuring we have abided by that regulation ya 30% ketoka our tendering process. Because tuacha kujumuika nabo ko share na kuserekea abindeba ko debia asokurwanirira abantu babo tokwana botambenga disability is not inability. Abana abantu basomete buya bajire sukuru buya nimba ata for example mwalimu mwana somete iga we Kiswahili kurukochora ogerete ukwane Kiswahili sanifu alengo muigizaji aka influence my Kiswahili ikaranganje Kiswahili anenga yakara byo school iko kurobu ato bore mabondu bwens timine tinga no tori ebo kora kende gyons toranyara gokora abana bantu bari intelligent but a part of us in the community iko tuwendo ko basherekea to celebrate to kollega sinabo as our day-to-day activities. To avoid resident tumne county into retired into manyetenga bawade certain challenges ogenda no ene nyagitariari to atebrenga we shall always ensure that to avoid kile in a way abako pili part and parcel of the society to target go pawundo bwens barude some concerns icho mune ministry yane ya health muno mwaziri nyakweba mucho karanzamo ne timu yane na barabuo tonyare kurigeria mangana ya sobugare to yakonya kera kene ngeo kerense kere impossible kerenge no be konyare kana so long as we sit down and do what and talk iko abaida that mean assurance ngando jito karanse ibinde ibare isi a few issues we shall be able to sort them amicably iko nko sawanga mbiamono sega sibonga to karaji ndukujane let us work together to basako bapagua kera. These are our brothers and sisters. This morning tuagenda ari mate shirikani liko kunga na Rayan community. Governor ito Paul Simbarati entered into an arrangement with them bakurugo indi asengenje yobuyabwaye abantu umbajale rogadi tu abantu artificial limbs rebato kwatia magoro kwatia kwatia magoko tu abantu 160 for free without paying a coin. They will be able to do their works without any challenges. They want to have a coin and to agreeing next year. They shall also come, take measurements in February and around this time, and they should have and Wanda Bange, what Yamaguru, and you go what Mondo and Koro what Magoko. I think a job or a man. Please bring him on forward. I walk over Sokoboko, we have done this for the last 3 years, and we shall continue doing that for the coming years. This is because of the good relationship serikali ya Kisii County bwate amana mashirika mange akareme county ya Kisii igaba ndabeta bagusimure ga iganko basabanga twara bomo twanchane natwa kaje gusinyara komesa imeyobora yebwa ubuya waka bana policy barati nyasaba sisini
ngoro kwa Eric Ambrose Ntabo no murai bwa bantu babwata wale mase county ya Kisii na endelea roi ganeli tukuri ituri nene ye organization itoka National Council for Persons with Disabilities toko yaligani na kuserekea emiaka 20 na yakuru yaga chagetwe emiaka 20 yaerire twarorire obuya bwayo bonge mbororo yagerire abantu abange bari babwata barimo bari kuchi office ao yagerire twatwarire abajumbe in parliament, in the senate, twatwarire abajumbe ase county assemblies magana na mange yatokoreire na indirinde boigo National Council yatokonyire asokurikia abantu babwata barema egere banyare gwikira service chinde kiri serikali eganeti yakonya barema bono rinde amange agwanirwa mayamono na ende twarorire ase gaps kire bono ko tebitorero National Council ase gaps kire tukubatumira tora mangana tobate banyare gusukuma egero morema afona konyi furi yorende gaps ne chinyinge kire nabona mangana taxation ngento korga tax exemption na bogo cha kwagenda kwa vetting lakini naenda ngana matuko make naende kwera na kwa vetting yo toka ne vetting yeyo eche korga kwa koreirwe gotiga yaba misi te kwa ngana naende gakero kendo bare mo boko nyako bakirari tuko kerenga ki okogenda kwanya kurigerirwa kina kia kamo kia batura rigereri mono nga vetting yeye ekorulimo na mangana assessment ali kinyagitari chito tigana ero ekorulimo unless you're muntu nyonyo the accident na babwene tanya bakarulio karakini muntu biare tuno bari mabuna bono bugane tebwene tinga kangana ende onkonyo ko irore ruwa konyo korulio kalioka oserini anya kwa bona china chigaps turoje na bintu bindembiro ntoganie totebie National Council enga igaiga tigatogenda this way egera bale mafu baito bakonya kaigone na ende ntobwatra ende county government ya Kisii mono ya tokonyira sa registration ekiara nero gwata abanyagitari bagokora assessment because amangana devolution igachite nga health ekaigwa chi county governments so go minister una kwana batokonyira sanene arieseme chandere memininiga ngo chitolego karansa nere twashurenga ngora ruere na enda ntokonyu mono gwatikana nga kyoba koreri go male mapu gwenta bakorwese county ya Kisii olende the fourth estate na bakirembuya mono ende na batebiringa mogendere kyara matukonsi kubeka mura mangana itembeo egera twanyara kuigwekana ni numure kiogito yakara without you ntokonyara kuigwekana na mangana ituzakonyara mukira ase bali bayagwenda tobigiriya ma
Assistant County Commissioner, the County Commissioner's Office. Siku ya leo tunasherehekea miaka 20 ambayo ofisi ya NCPWD kwa in existence. The office is situated within the office of the County Commissioner. We discuss the key milestone that the office has been going through, the challenges that it has been going through, and the way forward upon the discussion, the challenges that it is going through. In this ceremony, we've had stakeholders from the county government, from the CSOs, from the health, from all corners of the disability fraternity to share and discuss on the various issues that need to be addressed to ensure that the office functions efficiently, to ensure that all services are well served, to ensure they have
Franklin Ombasa, mtino mukazi usi. Ngo kolega na probation. I'm a probation officer in this station here at Kisii. Local Kisii Central Probation Office. I need to go there yesterday. I think in the anniversary, 20 years as an officer National Council for people with disability. As I'm a care the body, pretty low error and as a over your home and disability, or what Moso, Saint John might cover Purukuma, the remedy about cover register, neighborhood and National Council. So, number one, calling about disabled, cover registered, National Council, obviously, I work a year by card, a card here for financial intervening, Mosaka Montani water. Number two, among education. Education, also, play a role and then I said education. The bursary to talk about, I want to be disabled by our school, and then today in the away body by Marite, I can overcome with Marite, bus and aeroplane, ya kwa one. Now one of Munich Marite, the bus and aeroplane of web, ya also. Again, a grant speaker of a grant in aeroplane, a real food, the was part of food scholarship, was on Wakama now, yes, food. Also, National Council ya Konya Walemavu, also for Chibes, maybe a water tender, the kind of tender, Chibes and Joe Pipe, in taking a wine or Joe Quillen, still what interest. They didn't take an answer Walemavu, by what Joe and the city this time, and we'll find over tenderness at the guy, and support me to it. Maybe taking yeah, I get to find it in one year. I get over to school, Asaria, Conde, and we hope for the best. Una, having taken game time for the water, we join a 2-1
ya walemavu Kenya mzima, kwa sababu na huu mkutano wa leo tumefanya hapa Kisii ili kusherehekea yale mambo mazuri ambayo National Council of People with Disabilities imekuwa ikifanya na imeachieve over 20 years. Kwa hivyo leo Kisii kama county ya Kisii, serikali ya Kisii ya Apollo Sibarat tumekuja kujumuika na wao ili kuhakikisha kwamba yale mambo mazuri ambao wamefanya tumeyasherehekea pamoja. Tumeongea mambo mengi hapa. Wametoa mambo machache ambayo wanataka kama county ya Kisii, serikali ya county ya Kisii iweze kushirikia. Na sisi tumesema kama serikali tutashirikiana na wao, tutakaa chini mahali kuna shida kidogo kidogo. Sisi tuko tayari kukaa na wao chini kupitia viongozi wao ili tuweze kusuluhisha mahali kuna shida kidogo kidogo. Bila mwenzangu amesema hapa, hii mambo ya assessment, sisi tuko tayari kama department ya health kutuma madaktari free of charge waende wafanye assessment across the county ndio tuweze kujua ni nani akona shida ulemavu gani, ili waweze kuhudumiwa haraka iwezekanavyo. Kwa hivyo najua kwamba mwezi mmoja uliopita assessment ilifanyika, lakini sio kila mahali walienda. Kwa hivyo mahali kuna gaps, tutakaa chini to identify hizo gaps, na watu madaktari wetu wataenda kila mahali ndio watu wetu waweze kufanyiwa assessment, waweze kufaidika na ile mipango mizuri ambayo serikali ya county na ile serikali kuu iko nayo kwa walemavu katika county ya Kisii. Kwa hivyo sisi kama serikali ya Kisii county tuko tayari kufanya kazi na wao. Kama ni mambo ya employment, lazima walemavu watafanya nini? Watashughulikiwa, kwa sababu unaona pale katika serikali yetu ya county, ukiangalia kwa national county assembly hii ya Kisii county, naona kuna walemavu pale. Katika government kwa public service
today we are marking 20 years. We are celebrating 20 years since the inception of the National Council for Persons with Disabilities. And today we are having a candid discussion. Our theme for today is celebrating 20 years of diversity and inclusion for persons with disability, stories of success and overcoming barriers. So in today we are telling, we will discuss about stories that as a council, National Council for Persons with Disabilities, what has been the milestones, some of the key things that we have done, or the changes that have gone in the council, the key changes that have gone in the council, and I've been able to highlight the key changes that the council have achieved in the last 20 years. They are also be able to understand the rights of persons with disability within the confines of the county and within the national government. And the director of social services within the county, he has been able to spell out the rights. And we have a challenge, we cannot actually pass the bill for persons with disability within the county, and we are hoping within time we shall be able to pass and persons be able to enjoy their rights. And finally, we were sharing our stories of success and overcoming barriers of persons with disability. So this is a candid discussion whereby people from various
types of disability are coming to share their stories of overcoming barriers. What are these stories? That is what we are documenting. What is the challenge? And also be giving us a recommendation as a council where we want us to be. And this particular recommendation will also be put together during the national dialogue forum which will be held on the 28th. Thank you very much.